Assalamu alaikum. Today you're going to draw this 3D vase in AutoCAD. And open your template. Now by default you will be in top view, but the profile we're going to draw in isometric view. Click on home icon, is diameter 7, and then activate the polar tracking, and then hover over the center of the circle and then track this point and type 15, and that's going to give you 15 distance or offset from this circle to the next one, and the diameter for the next circle is also 15. Then draw next circle, hovering over the center and then tracking this point, 7 units, and the diameter of the next circle is 9. Then repeat the process, hover over the center, track, and then type the distance or offset, which is 5 units, and then the diameter for the next circle, make that 5 units, and then for the last circle track this point and type the distance 10.5 and diameter 9. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles stacked vertically, and if you view in the front view, it should look like this. If you go in parallel view, you have these circles stacked vertically like that. Go back to home view, and this time you're going to use the loft command. Order matters in this case, so you're going to click in the same order as you do. So the base first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and then enter. Cross section only, enter again. Now you have created a solid, and you are going to make it hollow using shell command. Click on solid tab and click on shell. It's asking you to select this 3D solid, select it, and then click on add, and then click on remove, and then click on the face that you want to remove. Enter once, and now it's going to ask you enter the shelf offset distance. You're going to type 0.25, quarter of an inch, and that is the width of this outer shell. So you have created a 3D vase now. And now you're going to render this. So go on Visualize tab and then go on the Materials browser. Put horizontal. And over here, this is on conceptual. To see, you need to click on realistic. And as you can see, it has been placed on it. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to change and show you a few different options, but I do want to keep those horizontal lines. So let's try masonry. and you're going to just drag it on it. This one is too dark. Let's try some light colors so it's easy to see. Now let's try to visualize it. So click on Visualize tab, and over here click on the sun status and click on Turn off default light and adjust exposure settings. And over here, environment, turn that on. And in here you can select soft light or warm light or cool light. In brightness, adjust the brightness. It's getting too bright. So looks good. And then go ahead and turn the shadows on. Let's try ground shadows. There we go. Use orbit tool. Turn the grid off. And you can take a screenshot of a view that you like. Click on this, yes, and move it out of the way because you don't want to see that in your screenshot. Compose it nicely, and with orbit you can adjust however you want to see it. And then go ahead in the search box and click on snipping tool and make a window. And save. Now I realize that there is a cursor over there. You can try to avoid that. And that would be all. Your turn. Happy drawing.